Good morning and happy Monday. We are entering into week 4 of the spring semester, and I just wanted to remind you of a couple of things that are going to be a little bit different this week. This is the first week that we're going to be reading two different chapters, so chapters 24 and 25. So this means that you're going to need to do an artifact analysis for both chapter 24 and 25. So making sure you have one for each. With the unit questions, though, the questions are set up to cover information from chapters 24 and 25. So even though you've got two topics for your unit questions that you haven't answered yet, you're still going to do one initial question and then 4 replies to the other 4. And then next week you'll do your last topic that you haven't yet written your main answer for. So only one unit question, but it covers your 2 chapters for the week and then an individual artifact analysis for each chapter this week. They don't have to be in separate blogs. You can post them in the same one. You can post them in separate ones. It's up to you. Just another reminder that if I give you a comment on your initial post, make sure that you follow up. Usually I'm looking for a little bit more clarification. And then make sure that you are reading the feedback in your artifact analyses. I'm trying to be as detailed as I can to kind of push you in the right direction to make sure that you're doing stronger ones each week. If you ever have any questions about any of those, please let me know so I can either be clear or just have a conversation with you about what you maybe need to strengthen as you go along. So we're talking about the Enlightenment this week, both in England as well as the rest of the European continent. So we'll be looking at a lot of political and philosophical thinkers. We'll be looking at enlightened ideas and how they connect to architecture and music and literature. And so I hope you have a great week. If you have any questions, let me know.